Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am on my way to work. I'm on my way to work. Tell J Pipe, a shower wife, that I'm on my way to work. I'm on my way to work. Yes, I'm going to work. I'm not going to wait for J Pipe to pick him in the club. I'm not waiting for anybody to pick me in the club. A J Pipe wife, I'm going to club in my 2024 Mercedes GLE, baby. It's 2024. Yeah, that's what women do. That's what intelligent women. That's what women that don't stand on the streets looking for dogunari ego. In your jobless man na ego na ego na beji na etiri ya. Your beggy onya aturu ego lu onu ge na. You don't want anything. You're a public outlaw now. You don't want anything. Yeah, I'm on my way to work. This is what we women does in America. This is what we do. We do it with dignity and pride. Because there is dignity in labor. We do it with dignity. What I go? So we can bring out almost 200,000 gazomoto. You what I go? Buy anything we have. You what I go? This is what a dogu women do. We don't depend on our shower when to pay us and when to carry us. I am going to work. I'm on my way to work. I'm not on my way to club. I'm not on my way banging out water. Look at where you're dancing and I don't know why people are calling me. Okay, please don't go that far. I am gonna dig more than that. Look at where you're dancing. So the pantambra. Oh my God, it a mess. You're a public wife, you're a public secret dancer. Iban that call you Gabala or Tawago and Shebabu Peg. Queen focus. Now the main reason why I'm here now. Listen. I will address Mbaka issue tomorrow. Bia? J Pipe and the Bonilo's son. Bonilo's son, I know you are fighting so hard because of the 500,000 in. I know J Pipe is fighting so hard to cover the main issue, which na lie. The game I know I'm past you, J Pipe. The game I know I'm past you. All this struggling, you're struggling to cover the main popo. It's not gonna work. If you not like, make gonna go tell Mbaka can they talk. If Mbaka reference me, it's not a bad thing. But tomorrow I will make a video and address that video. There is no cause for alarm. J Pipe, anything you are trying so hard to cover the trending Ikega game exam, any day, anything now you are doing to image this game is not gonna work. It will never work. Like, I know your plan. Keep up with Mbaka issue. Come distract. I'm not lie. I will make the video, I will post it, and I'll continue. They ask you when you say you're coming to Nigeria. When are we examining your Ike? That should be the bone of contention, guys. Don't allow Mbaka video almost a year. Getting to over a year. Udela is almost getting to how many years? You want to all the before the Lagango video made almost how many months ago, and you're coming to bring it to the timeline. You want to so make another one use this thing. J Pipe, you sending a Bonilo son to go and send it to Mbaka team. A send there, Mbaka, you are addressing me. There is no problem. You can address me. After all, to tell you that I'm more dogu. You want to go? You see how you guys are panicking. You see how you guys are panicking, using every means to make sure that you guys cover this topic. It's not gonna work, oh. What I go? Please, it will never work. J Pipe, the question of Mona Gimereko Okwa Nega Deme Pikegi. Examine Ikegi, why are you using this Mbaka old video? Old video that I made over how many months ago. The bone of contention now, why are you dodging from examining Ikegi? Why? So all these things, bloggers gotta be broke. They cannot. Nobody will distract me. And when any bagger get distracted, I am somebody. Imagine Mbaka to recognize one Oge. That means Mbaka have seen the video, and he was also explained. Don't worry, Mbaka. I will not apologize to you. You have to first of all apologize to Ebuka Obi. Yeah, I'm not gonna apologize to you. Any day you will stand up and say that Ebuka Obi is not an arranged man, then I will stand up and apologize to you. Because I was defending my daddy that I know that he's not an arranged man. I will address your video tomorrow. Shut up, Meshon Emmanuel. Shut up. Come on, shut your trash. Why would Mbaka address me? Why didn't Mbaka remove my name from his mouth? Eh? Tell me, who are you to tell me don't mention Mbaka? Eh? You won't when he make are you not? Mbaka address me, I'm going to address him back. Hold on, get the fuck out, Singapore. Hold on, let me go to that mistake. Come wepogi here. I should reply. Come on, reply on you. I'm gonna get a shower and when I'm time for rubbish. Come on, Singapore. Reply unegi. Come on, get the fuck out of here, son. Idiot. And then that water here talk by all means. Hatchog in human now. Imagine him boy him got hired. I'm reply, man. Come on, get out. Come on, Alexa, delete that, block that thing. Reply on you. Reply who? You want Yara? Come on, get the fuck out of my platform, my son. Imagine. Queen, the reigning queen. Onya reply on the reigning king of herself. That shit that you mentioned that things that smell will flush out of the toilets. Come on, get the come on, Shinga for it. Come on, block all that thing. Delete that rubbish. Imagine. The trending queen, they choose the ones who got reply with the trending news. Come on, Chinga for it. Imagine trending queen. Everybody wants to trend. Even Akwa, even in them when they will batch up room, put up on a D. They want that pursued like a piece. Imagine me. Imagine with the trending queen. Don't you know that I choose my fight now? It's like I'm one day when how relevancy. Mbaka will nukwe now. How would the madam can reply? There are way that I choose my fight now. So then I would how many bloggers, how many persons? Check Facebook around. No more reply on. Come on, get the government to reply. Come on. Are you now a very dark man? You know that he chose to reply to those that are important to him. Are you mad? It's just for me. Am I him now? Do you know what is? Do you know the kind of calm inside? Eh? If I go to him now, eh? Even bag and panaka cannot even reply you. Even my Gucci cannot even reply. Eh? Imagine. Come on, get out of here, Isa. Are we my class? Come on, fuck out of here. Even go to Musugodina hotel eh? $500 cannot even reply. Come on here for Isa. Dala. Even watch Mbaka self. Watch Mbaka self. Oh, now are you blind? Anatrano. Even watch him, Mbaka self cannot even reply. You say, reply on you. You want Yara. You thought I'm normal. Oh, yeah? You don't need to be. Listen, now opinion that. You know, I'm driving. I cannot see all these things. Can't close my mouth when I make a rest. Even watch him, Mbaka self. Talk about them on email. You want Yara. Don't you know that I chose people to reply now? Get the guy making a downtown. What is going on? Hey, vanity upon vanity, but in every time now, Chego. Vanity upon vanity. Every 419, when I now pick up Buddha. When I know they get like this, vanity upon vanity. you like this. Vanity about vanity. Vanity. Talk that when Njaka show me hobby. You I don't know, but you're saying everything will end in this world. You will not take it to heaven. Gamarashi poverty abalo Njaka. Okay, I have this for you. Okay, my love. Gamarashi poverty. Oh yeah, wait, come on. Vanity. Okay, forget that. That animal. I'm time, huh? Eh? Watch Mbaka self never even reply. My diamond, how many carats Mbaka with it can never reply. Shake off voice. Fuck off. Dala, the titi. And I query. I get the onye. Who? Come on, guys. I'm gonna reply Mbaka tomorrow. Yeah. Until the day Mbaka will apologize to my daddy Ebuka Obi Oshinowa. By then I will come out and apologize to him. Because of Ebuka Obi video, Kamji made that video. All because of my daddy Ebuka Obi, Kamji made that video. So if they want, let them go and dig it out. And then Mbaka channel, how many more? Getting to a year now. If it's not even up to a year. This thing happened last year. So they brought it out to cover. Could you imagine? Now you want to use it and cover, and then Mbaka reply. Why would you even reply me now? Why didn't you reply me then? That you was even replying my dad that made me came after you. What I go? So please, after all, Mbaka, there was a time I defended you. Why didn't they bring that video to you? When somebody accused you, the talking about the talking about why didn't you? I mean, come on. You did not come out and say, oh, thank you for defending me. You worked so hard. Nah, I would video. That's it. And I'm not replying. I'm not gonna apologize to you. Never, not possible. The only thing giving my many apologies when you come out and say my daddy Ebuka Obi is not a rangy person. Simple. Case closed. I will reply you peacefully and I will tell you my condition as well. Nothing will happen to my family. We are blessed. Nothing will happen to my husband. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. After all, you have given us false prophecy. You have given us false prophecy. Now, and later on, nothing happens. So, Mbaka, please, nobody is God. I have my destiny that protects me. What I go? Nothing gonna happen. I have to maintain my stand. I am not apologizing to you. I am not going to do it with all my full chest, with your honesty. What I go? So, nothing can make me until you apologize to Ebuka Obi by telling the world you are the one that started this chaos. You started this chaos by telling the world, that was what proved. This is what you do for your master. I've done what I'm supposed to do, and I maintain my stand. I will not, Reverend Mbaka, I will never do that. I am sorry with no apologetic about it. I am not going to do what you asked me to do in that place. If you wanted an apology, you shouldn't have listened to those trash that brought you those videos that I conducted over a year ago, almost a year now. Okay? So no amount of intimidation or coming to adoration grounds that will change nothing. Absolutely nothing. I will not do that. Lie. I am not ex-convict that come out and say that here she's a lie. I'm not gonna do that. So all this J-pipe and Indo to Yabaga so hard. Hagaraga post soya. You know, Gaga post soya just that is not the point of contention. The point of contention with J-pipe, we had an agreement and accepted the offer. You must come. Let's go and examine. What I go? Let's go and examine. So any video I stand by it. I bet the video one on a video. It's not AI. I cannot dispute that. It's me. But just I'm not rendering no apology. Lie until you apologize to my daddy. Yeah, apologize to Ebuka Obi and told the world. Sorry, and tell the world that what you told them before is not the truth. Simple. Case closed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I will repeat it and I'll make the video, I will post it. Nothing will change my stand. I'm not a pushover. Lie. So J-Pipe, when are you coming so we can examine? I so thing you know, when you go work, when I go happen. But I want to get a club, but I want to get a club. So all these many men try to cover the topic. It's not gonna work. The message is still gonna be passing. You better respect it. Come on, get out. Come on, shinga for yourself. I may respect it. Come make it again. Aya, Otilo. Shinga for this place is not for you. I post a video. You guys can go there and call it. But when I'm live, respect yourself. I beg. This is a live stream. You dare not. What I go? So point of you know, I'm gonna actually video. I'm not a peek in down and down. I reply. No reply you. I got did it worse than VDM. Chem Nigeria lota. I'm a demo brutal. Cheremaga with the child and then question with and put things in order. Put chap people in order gonna get room. I'll be worse than VDM. If you don't know, you better start knowing it now. I got people in there every day go my people don't worry. I'm people who got me to when I get to Nigeria. Come on, Shingafa. Who is this one? Come on, get the fuck. Come on, Jello the force. Get out. Get out. I will Mbaka mention on him. What I go? Mbaka mention my name and that's it. Oshi, please, can I reply you? Reply you where? I'm a reploaded than VD, more than VDM. Go and mark my words. Come back to Nigeria, meet and then push meet. You understand my language. Mbaka get focus on your focus. Obutena be reply Ogechi. The video me almost say yeah. Hey, what I go? Why is he replying me and expect me to come and apologize to what? I will not do that. Sorry. I'm more dangerous than VDM. There'll be a point you get tired of me. Trust me. And I'll be choosing words and them gonna reply and them I gotta reply. It is coming. Can I focus on the style? No, I'm Hugami. I know it feels somehow, right? It feels somehow when I'm driving and I'll be, yeah, I understand. No, I'm Hugami, I'm good. But thank you, so thank you there, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I'm about it now because Queen just remember. I'm coming. Don't worry. Come down with the things I should judge. I come with you. I'm more bad now. My baby Anna. I can marry more bad than VDM. Yeah, I will never be done. Come not Nigeria. Can you meet teacher people who can be meet you know, and I call it. Yeah, be the barrier team. This never starts. I should reply you. You don't understand. I'm one of the dangerous things that could ever happen to you. People, when you get here, go people again. I'm about to give them a present here. More people in Nigeria, this is it. I got file a petition. So time, so this. Watch and see. I'm not like Nigeria for one particular thing. They crazy. So people not there from the Konya. Abelam Gonya, Leponya. That's the reason. That's I got all these people that VDM not like. Come on, America. I gave my name no press there. I can get fixed to my things. Come on, yeah, date. In Ashimu remove Mbaka. Mbaka addressed me. If you haven't you seen the video, okay, don't worry. Today, I don't get 3 to 11. Before me make sure I go by 11 something. Don't worry. In my own did very sensitive. Mbaka address me and I need to address that video back and I post it and move on. You want to go? So, look at me, movie. People will be getting their money back. I get my backbone. Na Nigeria, I file a case. And wanted the result of Zubo. Ime huya bia brugi. Things has to stop. And once they got practical, oh, hash. Okay, I got lekwa that Ogechi. Actually, many things such a rime. Lekwa. Onya way ya direct. If they happen, you go they play, you go they see them. Get chicken, abia oge urugi. Pesanaga. Ogechi okay. Did you see the video Mbaka addressed me in today? In the video. Did you come across that video? Did you see it? Did you see that video? I must say something about it. You want to go? Okay, they are aware. So I'm coming more. And you know, any dream standby, because I'm not in Nigeria. Any dream standby people when you will take case. Onya, I call log it out. If you don't want to bring the money or game maker, call log it out. Ana gaga. You want to go? So that is the thing. Ono chanamono ono ga no na this no. Ono go to get okay. Mwa get ga ebu ibu. The main thing in Jalaga Nigeria lekpa ge lekpo onye lekpa mba lekpo nya. Yes, oh yeah, onya. But then the job baby does in Keumbido. And I call it. And I go in the Ndana, what about the yellow? I shall get again. One na lie. That almighty thing say we no go touch him. Now we go to touch him. I can share name more prayers. I can hate what I can name more prayers from here. Things are not them man buy. You want to go? Here. I file a case. You want to go? Anywhere problem, I file a case. That directs to the main thing. You want to go? Again, when people, and when the case, and you're supplying in Nigeria, and people will go there for free. Oh, I'm not going for free. I got file the case for free. Get one thing here for free. Because enough is enough. A lot of people are going through a lot. A girl, a giant nike. A boy, a giant nike. Because so got one thing. A putegi. You feel it? I be a video. Post the result. Again with the results. You want to go? So on your laptop, I had damage. Ya pala. Like out to Jiwayo. When I do this, so I am not going to hear maybe. So in that I'm just starting. Oh God, the more brutal. What much in Nigeria better. Get the power. So all these people now, we didn't Mbaka. I got no. All these things are fame. They are taking me to places. I just want you to understand everything that happened for a reason. Don't think it's what will bring the get down. This time, yeah, then again at the cashiers, I just look you, they laugh. In at the cashier, easy. Not the cashier. Hey, this one is your last draw. Akwa and this one is your last. And I go here. You want to go? I got on with truthfulness. I get way people that will stand by in Nigeria. You want to go? But you will not know who they are. Oh, more than I was the operator here. Okay, they are aware. Then when you get baby, maybe. So for those of you now, Ogechi, you go Ogechi, you go Ogechi. This is just the beginning of the pain that is about to come on you all name out. Hey man, I'm back a very dark man. If you don't know, oh, make what I'm Bakwaranta. Oh, Bakwaranta. Oh, man, and cow, the channel bring you down. And we also look at me again. You all look at me, Moon and Mechagomia. And we any other thing, Unu gave me this blue. Everything all Unu gave me, Moon and Popo Chabomia. So what's more left? Oh, you been back a video, Cherry? I will play it. In fact, I'm a post. I think I cannot function that much now. I will show you the video now. You want to go? I'm gonna address it. It's not a big deal. No insult, but I will address it to the right point. Mbaka will get my video, and that man that I send it to my page. What go? Because all these people is beginning to, you know, is get the call that I received from somebody now on EFCC, and the call encouraged me more to put more, and the people now on all these you know, departments. It makes sense because it is gonna stop. We need to put an end to it. What I go? You need to put an end to it. All this law, our women into group and things has to be done. Michael, stop promoting anybody. I beg. You don't do that. You don't do that because I talk too much. Don't worry. Oh yeah, Ijoma. Jaboncha with one man. Oh yeah, get out. This place is not a place. Just somewhere. Okay? Am I doing it for fame? Which fame? Actually, they promote to me. Now they promote to me. But you can't get me for the walls. And the positive things. Positive things. I need to go and meet those necessary top officers that will handle some cases. And that I'm happy that when they got room naka. You want to go? I'm happy that some responsible people that room naka met up with all my cases. The reason why I'm wear problem at social media, and they will hear from me. You feel me? Many things need to stop. Many things need to stop. I get one lot of people that would do this. You know what I go? So I want to Nigeria give me joy. Hell no. And one of them reasons. Things need to put in order. No more humiliating our people. It's getting out of hand. We need to put an end to it. I won't give up home wine in a group. You start slowing them to start sharing the. Somebody needs to start it, and it's about time that I need to. Mandin in a scam we go. My only woman need to be jailed or you are abusing those children. You cannot be selling. Now I here. You know, many things need to look into. So we're gonna have our team that will be operating with the people that will reason alike with me. Things must be done. Enough. Are we in many things, many things, and action needs to take place. You want to go? Because the forces is about to come. You cannot be able to withstand it. It's the truth, I'm telling you. We need to put an end to arrow. It's getting out of hand. It is too much. Okay, you're not doing anything. All you do is to lure women into a group in the name of family hardship in Nigeria. Ghana eroto. Happy God, that man. Happy God, you want to go? Happy God, that man. I go now. More evidence. Why this thing? So please, I'll get a point where you're gonna be bringing evidence to me, because evidence is what I get. More evidence. You want to go? Many things will surface on this blue app, and I thank God for the intelligent team that God will provide for me in Nigeria. You know, where we're gonna be working together to make sure we put everything in order. We're gonna get there. It's just a matter of time. Again, you know, Shoni. I should hope. Can you prove how? Oh yeah, she up. Can Mbaka prove how Ebuka Obi is doing RNG? So anyone you said, if you can prove it, that end the case. I don't know why you're asking me stuff that you know that you yourself you cannot prove. Okay, I wish you well. Thank you, my love. It will end in glory. Uzana, 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 Uzana. Yeah, these people don't understand. They know they are gonna understand. Oh God, call me. happened to me. Let me tell all of you. Some of my warriors that called me today, they were saying, "Sir, please. As far as it's war, people will always look for something to shut me down. I want you guys to know this. Anything that comes our way, we will fix it. It doesn't matter. You should go from presidential seat. We will also stand and defend ourselves. Hey, testimonial the weak in spirit. You cannot be. Those people, they are my warriors. They love me. They are concerned. But if you showing that weak in you, you are also weakening. And I'm like weakening stuff. Know that him no we who that I end up team bantaya will look for every means to shut the game down. I want you to understand the psychological of this game. I want you to understand the psychological moves of this thing. Gina Madonna logo. Oga will be there to destroy you. So those people that are calling me, please, don't tell me how to address anything that comes my way. And I want you to know that Gina Madonna logo. If you know everything that will make you, because someone hit guy back to back. That is why they went video minute. Almost a year now. Hagadi geya. Ta wore nyendo to Mbaka beri kukuneluya. I'm gonna over 1 hour video. I copy half of it. Send around Mbaka. So Mbaka none of this technology do not remember that. Where is the full video? Why this short video? Madonna made that kind of video. Post here. So you can understand the game. Any also you will stand to defend yourself because they will look for any means. That is how enemy fight, and that is how somebody pega blue and black. That's how they fight. So don't call me to tell me yeah, that is the main purpose. And anytime you fall for it, that's the end of you. To be a hero is for you to stand anything that comes your way. No matter what it takes. You will face it. So, okay, dear, where? I'm trying to add this. And I hope you join. Thank you. Let me make this open. And when some DBS in then after I met this video, rest in peace. They started calling me from Anambra. They were mad. They had to hang to the man is spiritual. I don't do DB, but I have no problem. But the man, I don't know why people are panicking. For me, yeah, abrakaba. Anybody where they beat go cry now. And the bit of it me. I never start. I want more damaging information that I'm about to bring out. So you come and like every course all game, when those bad ones be done up, J-Pack part of Auto One yesterday. Whatever video Mbaka post. Oh, these people, I don't understand. I don't understand. Come on, J-Pack, I got you to the die get your late today. You know, boss. J-Pack, you're part of everyone. I bought that way. Go, can go. Whatever you don't pack a post. Go you for shadow. Yeah. Not down there. But I know well. If you guys understand the game, now Junior, weapon Mbaka. Video are you know Ogechi Njaka what year? When did Ogechi conduct this video? Why now? Why are you guys bringing this video now? Video America on Mbaka who at that time eh? On Mbaka for ya that day. That's a year now plus video. Why now? When they make on use points, yeah, with the distraction, you know, say Ebony lost son, a brule post, J pipe, another day in the blog. Biakwanu Bianuri, Ogechi Njaka Kuru, na Lequanu, reply Mbaka. And I call it. What go? And then I got adoration ministry. Because if you guys have access to Mbaka, go and tell Mbaka ke where's you open. Yashina Sagapo, Saga Basaro. I did not mention his name. The video was conducted almost a year now. Why are they bringing him here? Because they want to cover the main topic. In a lie. But that doesn't mean that we will not address it. So, so that doesn't mean that we will not address it. But I won't get me where address. I'm just trying to. So Mbaka tell him, say make him back off. This game has nothing to do with him. What you? They tell you the truth. And what one young songaya? And what one lot of Tanashi Beyaga Pota? On your Asho Krobia Toron go to another one Abiawa. Go lead to another one go meet you. Nobody be anybody. I just want you to know that. Just that we they give respect. Don't want to keep here in anything. Otan of that the highly spiritual and when in the more times 7 spiritual than him. I just want to let you know. So you know be more. Oh, what get away. Just want to clear the doubts. Maybe you know go come back to Nigeria again because any day, hold on. Actually, because any day you touch down, go touch. Come on, just diaper get some million say so. Come on, come on, just sound pampas. Give me. Even I could deserve. Come on, go and wash your busters. Oh, shish. Come on, go sign me.